Baking is like magic. You mix simple things, you put them in the oven, then, you get a delicious treat. Everyone loves cake. Cake makes people happy. Let's bake a chocolate cake. This recipe is easy. It is perfect for any day. You can make it for a party. You can make it for yourself. Let's get started. Here's what you need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of buttermilk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. Make sure you have all of these. Then we can start baking. Now let's talk about the tools you'll need. A good whisk, a sturdy mixing bowl, and a spatula are essential. An electric mixer can make your life easier, but a hand whisk works just as well. Don't forget your measuring spoons and cups to ensure accuracy. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and prepare your baking pans by lining them with parchment paper. This will prevent your cake from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Start by sifting all your dry ingredients together. This helps to aerate the flour and ensures a smooth, lump-free batter. In a separate bowl, mix your wet ingredients until well combined. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring gently to combine. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cake dense. Pour the batter into your prepared pans, smoothing the top with a spatula. Tap the pans gently on the counter to release any air bubbles. Place the pans in the preheated oven and set a timer for 35 minutes. Your kitchen will soon be filled with the irresistible aroma of chocolate heaven. Check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Remove from the oven and let it cool before frosting. And there you have it, a delicious chocolate cake made from scratch. Enjoy every bite. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure that your cake bakes evenly and rises properly. A well-preheated oven can make all the difference in achieving that perfect texture. Grease and flour a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. This will prevent the cake from sticking to the pan and make it easier to remove once baked. Make sure to cover all the corners and edges thoroughly. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, and cocoa powder. These dry ingredients form the base of your cake, and whisking them well ensures they are evenly distributed. Add baking soda, baking powder, and salt. These leavening agents will help your cake rise and give it a light, fluffy texture. Be precise with your measurements for the best results. In another bowl, beat the buttermilk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract. These wet ingredients add moisture and richness to your cake. Make sure they are well combined to create a smooth mixture. Continue beating until the mixture is smooth and well combined. The vanilla extract adds a wonderful aroma and flavor to your cake. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Don't overmix. Overmixing can lead to a dense cake. Mix just until you no longer see any dry flour. Section 4. Secrets to a moist and delicious cake. Today, we're diving into the art of baking a cake that's not just delicious but also incredibly moist. This is a game changer for anyone who loves baking or simply enjoys a good piece of cake. Now pour in the boiling water. This step might seem unusual, but it's crucial. The hot water helps to dissolve the sugar and cocoa powder more effectively, ensuring a smooth and lump-free batter. The batter will be thin. Don't be alarmed by this consistency, it's exactly what we want for a moist cake. The thin batter allows for even baking and helps the cake to rise beautifully. Don't worry, this is normal. Many people get concerned when they see how runny the batter is, but trust the process. This is a tried and tested method. The boiling water helps make the cake extra moist. The steam from the hot water adds moisture to the batter, which translates to a soft and tender crumb in the final product. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures that the cake is fully cooked but still moist. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes before flipping it onto a wire rack to cool completely. This cooling period is essential as it allows the cake to set and makes it easier to handle without breaking. And there you have it. A perfectly moist and delicious cake that's sure to impress. Enjoy every bite. Section 5. Serving your chocolate delight. Once the cake is cool, frost it with your favorite frosting. Chocolate frosting is a classic choice. You can also add sprinkles, chocolate chips, or fresh fruit for decoration. This chocolate cake is best served fresh, but you can store it in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Enjoy!